Hi everyone, welcome to Villa Chefs. Today we're making a simple Spanish seafood paella. Place a wide pan on the medium flame. Once the pan is hot, add the olive oil and season with salt. Once the oil is hot, add the squid and stir fry for almost 2 minutes. Once this is done, remove the squid and keep aside. Add the chopped garlic into the same pan and saute for a few seconds. Then add the chopped onion and saute till transparent. Once the onions are transparent, next add the bell pepper and saute for almost 3 minutes. Add the tomato puree, black pepper, paprika, and salt. And saute this until the oil separates. Then add the fried squids and continue stirring for almost 30 seconds. After this step, add the fish broth and bring it to a boil. Next, we will be adding saffron and stir the boiling broth. After this, we will add the paella rice. Make sure to spread the rice evenly and cook this for about 5 minutes. Now place the prawns and clams evenly on top. At this point, do not stir. We only shake the pan gently. In case you find the water is less, you can add a little more boiling water into the pan until the rice is completely cooked and water is completely absorbed. Once the rice is cooked, increase the flame to a high for about 30 seconds. This is done to crisp the bottom and turn off the flame. Cover the pan and keep for 5 minutes. Garnish with parsley and lemon wedges. Enjoy the delicious paella. Please support our channel by liking and subscribing so we can bring you more dishes from around the world. Will our chefs signing out.